Hi everyone, welcome to my channel for art. Today I'm going to show you how to crochet for absolute beginners part 3. First I make 27 chains. If you don't know how to make chain, first watch the video comes above. Yarn over twice. Chain 1, chain 2, chain 3, chain 4, chain 5. Go through the chain 5. Yarn over, pull through, 4 loops in your hook. Yarn over, pull through 2. Again, yarn over, pull through 2, and again, yarn over, pull through 2. I do again so you can learn more better. Yarn over twice, go through the next chain, yarn over, 4 loops in your hook, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, and again, yarn over, pull through 2. Yarn over twice, go through the next chain, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, and again yarn over, pull through 2, and yarn over, pull through 2. This is our treble crochet. Don't forget to like this video. Now we have our treble crochet. If you have any questions, ask me in comments. Don't forget to like this video, and for more tutorials, please subscribe and hit the bell button. Thanks for watching. See you next time.